Good morning, third grade. How are you today? Today is Thursday, the 19th of November, and our lesson today is about object pronouns. We have in the previous lesson the subject pronouns, if you remember, the subject pronouns, ضمائر الفاعل, and we took singular and plural for the subject pronouns. Now we are going to continue our grammar lesson about the object pronouns, ضمائر المفعول به. Object pronouns is a word that is used as the object of a verb. ضمائر المفعول به هي كلمة is a word كلمة that is used بستخدمها as the object of a verb كمفعول به للفعل. If you remember, we have the subjects and we have the objects here, and we have for the singular and we have for the plural. The subject pronouns I here, and it will become to the objects me. You in the object pronouns you. He, him, she, her, it will stay the same. We becomes in the object pronoun as us. They becomes them. Again, the subject here is I. It becomes me. You, also you. He becomes him. She, her. It. We, it becomes us, and they becomes them. And if you notice, my dears, the subject pronoun comes before the verb, as you see here. John works for a big company, and we use the subject pronoun he here before the verb. He works. So the subject pronoun comes before the verb. But the object pronouns comes after the verb. After the verb. We will see here. Examples. Bob took Alma to work. If we go back at this sentence, Bob is the subject. Took is the verb. Alma is the object. المفعول به Alma. To work. Subject, verb, object. Now, if we go back at Alma, we will see that Alma is a girl. And what is the object pronoun for Alma? Her. Excellent. Her. So we will say Bob took her to work. We will put her instead of Alma. What about this sentence? I bought a gift. I is the subject, الفاعل. Bought is the verb. A gift is the object. The object a gift is singular, and it's not a boy or girl or a plural. We will use the pronoun it for the gift, and it will become, yes, it will become it. I bought it. It here is the object pronoun for the gift. Look at also these examples. Anna made a cake for Daniel. We will use here the word Daniel as an object. Anna is the subject, made is the verb, and Daniel is the object. Daniel is a boy. So it will become, as you see here in the list, him. Daniel, we will replace Daniel with the object pronoun him. It will become Anna made a cake for him because Daniel is a boy. Him, the object pronoun. And if you see him here is the object pronoun, it becomes after the verb. It becomes after the verb. Look at sentence number 4. She works very hard. The teacher asked her because we use she here as the subject, and we will replace she with the object pronoun her because her is for a girl and it is the object pronoun for she. Look at her. It comes after the verb. It comes after the verb. She works very hard. The teacher asked her to join the team. What about sentence number 5? They ride the bus. The bus driver stops for. We will use the pronoun, the object pronoun for they. What is the object pronoun for they? It will become them. Excellent. They becomes them. So they ride the bus and the bus driver stops for them. Excellent. Look at number 6. I love stories. My mom reads a story too. If you look at this list, I as a subject, and it becomes in the object pronouns as me. It becomes me. So, I love stories. My mom reads a story to me every night. We go on a trip. The subject here is we. And if you go back at the list, we will see that we becomes us. We as a subject becomes us as the object. So, we go on a trip. The school organized the trip for us. So, us is the object pronoun for we. Me is the object pronoun for I. Them is the object pronoun for they. Her is the object pronoun for she. Him is the object pronoun for he. And it is the object pronoun for it, the gift. And her is the object pronoun for she. It means al-mahir. My dears, please repeat the grammar lesson at home with your mom and study it very well to differentiate between the object pronouns and the subject pronouns. And if you need any question, you can send it to me directly. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.